Hi, I am Mtshali and I am from Ubuhlebenkosi Enterprise. We are based at Pola office in Mpumalanga. The reason I started my business is because I was doing nails and hair as a side hustle, and then after graduating from UJ, I couldn't get a job, and then I started my hair and beauty salon just to get an income. We offer the following services. We have braiding hairstyles, all braiding hairstyles. We do dreadlocks, we do nails, which are acrylic nails, gel nails. We do facials, we do makeup, we sell hair, we do wig installations, we do IV drips, we do individual lashes, we do tattoos and piercings. We also sell home diffusers, car diffusers. We sell lash cleansing kits, and we also looking to expand into doing scented candles. I believe that my products are great. They make your house, your car smell great, and also wigs way too. They boost confidence. So I make them myself. Wigs. You can even bring hair bundles, and I'll make the wigs for you. So I believe that I poured my heart into them, hence I want you guys to support me. We are available on WhatsApp 065 547 6060, or you can find us on Facebook, Ubuhle Hair and Beauty, on Instagram at Ubuhle_hair. Hi, my name is Nontobeko Mtshali and I am a township entrepreneur.